Now we come to work. I am going my video. We'll go to your video. Now we need to move on to the video. We will be ranking. Then we will right click the mouse on the video we want to rank. After that, some option will come from there. Go to the option called properties. After coming to properties, we will be in general option. From there we have go to details option. Details option, title option and subtitle option are the keywords we will use there. Here is the title that we will use on YouTube. Digital marketer. Then subtitle option same. Rokib digital marketer. Then ranking. Click 5-star rank. Then tag and comment option. Use as many video related keyword as you can. Here us to would use it in the keyword. I do such as digital marketer, graphics designer, video editor. Digital marketer, graphics GRAPHICDESIGNER, graphic designer, video editor. Keyword as much as possible and use video related keywords. Then apply and OK.